Okay, I'll have to speak up because you're up on the dash. Welcome back. Just went through our second and third snowstorm. As you can see, some of it, we had 9 inches the first day, and it snowed 20. Whoop, forgot to pick my blade up coming out of the driveway. Rookie. It snowed 20 inches from 11 o'clock at night till 3:30 in the morning. So I'm in the F350, taking this back to the shop. Roads are nice and bare now, and so this is the first significant snowfall of winter of the end of 2022. So yeah, pretty good couple day event. As you can see, this is a blade that used to be on the other Ford, and the headlights are down a little bit because this truck sits a lot higher. So I've got to readjust the headlights. I'll probably do that tonight after I put the truck away, and it'll look a lot better. This is high beam right now. If I put low beam on, you can see how low they are. So yeah, gotta put a high beam on. I back it in. I'll use the overhead door. The low beam light should be on the second panel up, on the line at the top of the second panel. That's how I generally adjust them. That puts the high beam out where you need them. And of course, this is only with the blade, not the headlights on the truck. I just the blade lights, not the truck lights. The truck lights are fine. So this my shop is not too far from my home. I just stopped and had supper. 6:35 at night. Just turned 35, and let's see here where we are. Let's see. Let's just we'll take a ride in the backyard first. So we did haul snow here the other night, last night actually. I took the here's one of the pushers right here. This is a 10-foot ProTech. I put a brand new mounting on it. I have this one for sale, and I had a fellow come look at it last night. It's got a brand new quick mount on it for a skid steer mount, or what they would call skid steer mount. This was actually on the 544G loader, but it had a different a hookup on it for putting it on the piece of equipment. So we put the skid steer mount on it, but in the meantime, there's a Fisher 86 Extreme V that goes on my son's truck. So there's 2 other pushers here. The pusher to your right, let me back up because you can't see it with the headlights, so I get too close. So the pusher to the right, the orange pusher, is a Scoop Dog, and that I bought 2 years ago when I bought the first 60 horse compact tractor, the 2860. Is that 2860? I believe is the number on that tractor. And that's primarily used for driveways. So the Mike gets the tractor, that'll be hooked on to the tractor for the next storm. I put the tractors inside, and a little more room inside without the pushers on them, but we'll put the pushers on them before it storms, and then they all sit inside as one unit. But Mike primarily does driveways with this, and does sometimes clean up some of the businesses after they've been plowed. It's an ideal unit with a rubber cutting edge on it for cleaning slush up and getting into spots that the bigger tractor might not want to get in. So the second pusher here to your left is a brand new ProTech skid steer mount, and that is on the new tractor, the 4707. Both these are Massey Fergusons. So that is a skid steer mount on that, and that tractor started the second day of the storm pushing. That was its first day pushing, and was pushing parking lots. Now the parking lots that I have are not big parking lots compared to what you would have in a city or something. This is a smaller town. The parking lots are still pretty good size. Most of them would be probably 120 to 140 feet wide by 300 feet long, and then around the buildings and stuff like that. So that pusher does a good job on it, and that is also a rubber mount on the cutting edge. And that one of the other videos I think I posted, I'm not sure if I even did a walk around on that yet, but it has a back drag on it. So right in between the two markers that I added up on the top of the blade, it has a bar with a rubber cutting edge on it. You roll your bucket over, drop it down, and you can pull back snow from garage doors and off sidewalks. It has a rubber cutting edge, the same cutting edge it would be on the plow bottom half itself, which makes it really durable and will peel the snow right off the sidewalks almost to the bare sidewalk. So, and that's where I am there. You can see over here where we put snow in and pushed it up. So over here a little farther is where the trailers have been sitting that the company stores here. And there's one missing because we switched one out. They had a broken trailer and they dropped one off and picked up another. This will stay here. The first trailer here to your right will stay here until it's ready to go for service to have the repairs done on it. The other trailer is ready to go. It's just sitting here. It's a farm pickup trailer. Both these are, and they have a pump in the back, and they would go from farm to farm picking up individual farms. Both hold around 70,000 pounds of milk when they're full. So, and they're of course a little farther to your left, coming into the picture now, is Jordan's International, and that's got a flat rack on it. It uses to haul trailers and such. Okay, so let's go back around. I'm getting a little long in the tooth here. Over 8 minutes, maybe a little bit too long for videos, boring you guys, but I hadn't been around in a while. We've been busy, and just wanted to catch up with you and let you know what's going on. I really haven't cleaned up much snow here yet. Let's see, let me come around here and I'll show you. So they have the automatic door openers on the garage. You'll see it right here opening. There you go, it's going up, and I'll wait, and then I'll be backing in the garage. And this side the truck is sitting in doubles as the wash bay for the pickups, and the tractors are way too big for the wash bay, so they get washed in the main bay after every storm. They haven't been washed yet. Playing catch up tonight, just going out cleaning some driveways up, and I will get these trucks and tractors washed over the next couple days. It looks like we're going to be good till at least Saturday, Christmas Eve on snow. So there we go, in the building, in the house, and down we come. Okay, thanks for subscribing, checking out my videos. Thanks to the new subscribers and their comments. I'll have some snow plowing videos up. I really wanted to put one up, but I had everything with me, but it was just too hectic. We're covering 60 some counts in about 3.5 hours, and down goes the blade, and there we were. That's where we were. So I didn't really get time on the first snowstorm going through of the season, but I promise I'll get some videos up, and I will get some videos of the new 4707 Massey Ferguson pushing snow in a parking lot, and maybe some of the 2860 pushing some driveways that went out when Mike's out there. So again, thanks for subscribing. We'll see you soon. And if I don't put a video up between now and the end of the week when Christmas is rolling around, everybody have a safe holidays, happy holidays, and hope all your wishes come true. Thanks very much. We'll catch you soon.